Hey guys, it's Miss Bonia, and I'm just going to kind of talk to you about this survey real quick. So this survey is just to gather information, so us teachers can help you. So if you do have issues with your technology, we can kind of figure out, okay, you're working on this device, try this. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put your last name, first name, and class, period. Okay. And then you'll hit next. And then here, this survey is a little bit different that you need to be truthful as you can, because certain things give you certain answers, okay, or certain questions. So here you want to tell me what kind of device you're working in. So this is what I'm talking about. If you have several devices, you want to click them all. If you only have one device, and so because some instructions will be different, like for example, with an Apple or an Android. So I know that some people I spoke to got an iPad from school, so you want to click that. If you don't have a device, you need to let me know immediately so I can get you on a waiting list. Okay. And then this is where this question you have to answer, because depending on what you answer takes you on a different question. So do you have to share your device with anyone else? If you do, you'll click yes and move on. And then you're going to tell me what times, so I kind of know when to expect you to be on your device. Now, I know that times might change, but if you are sharing, maybe you have some sort of schedule worked out at home, so you'll just kind of let me know either morning, afternoon, or evening. Okay, so I'm just putting afternoon. And then internet connection. So this one right here, do you have reliable internet access? So do you have like Wi-Fi, or I don't know what else is out there? If you do not, you need a hotspot. Again, you need to let me know immediately so we can get you on that waiting list. Now, there's also buses parked around the community where, I mean, I don't know, but if maybe possibly if you can kind of like go and get near one or park near one and download your assignments or whatever you have to do, that might be something as well. But again, just bear with us as we kind of navigate through these times. So let's just say yes, you do have internet access, and then here, this is where we're trying to figure out what you guys are good at, and then what you guys need more help on, because we don't want to waste time explaining something that you're really good at. Okay. So 0 is going to be you have no experience. 2, you can kind of do it. 4, you don't need any help. You can actually teach people yourself. Okay. So for example, like Google Docs from 0 to 4, where are you? Okay. Um, Google Slides, same thing. Where are you? How comfortable are you with Google Forms? So what we're doing right now is a Google form. Have you been in a Google Meet? So that's kind of like FaceTime when you're talking to the teacher through the computer or through the iPad. So this is, have you ever been in one? Some people did last year, some people didn't, just depends. Um, do you know how to use Google Drive? So this is where all your work is saved. So no, never heard of it. Hey, yeah, I know my Google Drive. Email is going to be really big this year. So have you ever sent an email to a teacher before? Do you know how? Okay. And so like, no, I've never sent an email. Yes, I have, or I kind of have, but I was unsure, kind of that. Okay. And then here, these are some tools that we may use this year, and we want to see if you've had experience with them in the past. So maybe you have, because I remember a lot of people, have done Kahoot. Some of you guys might have done Flipgrid. Maybe you did an Ed puzzle. So if you've done any of these, all of these, or none of them, you want to go ahead and click them. And then when you're done, you're going to click Submit. Once you're done with this survey, close the tab. You should be back in Google Classroom and just mark as done. If you need any help, you guys go ahead and reach me through Remind, send me an email, or send me a private message on Google so I can help you. Thanks, y'all.